Bum, bum, bum. Welcome back to Maintenance Monday. I got another quick tip for you right here on a Maintenance Monday. Okay, we're gonna get right to it. Winter came and my caulking is dried out. Even my miter joints kind of dried out, opened up. You know, a lot of times the moisture gets back in the house, these shrink up a little bit, but for a quick fix, I'm just gonna take a little bit of latex caulking. I'm gonna use a white caulking. I'm just gonna show you how I apply it, okay? So if I got a little crack along here, I'm just gonna start at one end. Gonna run that caulking through there, kind of like that. I can also run that caulking right over some of those miters, okay? Just kind of put it in there, kind of inject it as best you can. Now I'm gonna run my finger right over the top of that caulking like this. Maybe down here a little bit. Run it like that, use your towel. Just gonna wipe off any excess caulking. You can kind of use your towel and kind of wipe it off like this too. If you get your towel wet, you can do the same thing, run it across there, fill in all those little voids, okay? Let that dry for 24 hours, maybe touch it up with white paint. Maybe in this particular case, it's so white you're not gonna need to do anything else, okay? Hopefully this tip's helped you. See you next Monday for another Maintenance Monday.